In this After Effects tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to create cool looking whip pan transition. Okay guys, we're here in After Effects, and as you can see I have already imported Media 1 and Media 2. Now let's go right click to create new adjustment layer. I'm gonna rename it TR for transition. Let's head over to Effects and Presets and find Motion Tile Effect and drag and drop onto the adjustment layer. Now I'm gonna place the playhead to around 1 second and 10 frames and create first keyframe for the tile center. Now I'm gonna go to around 2 seconds and 20 frames, and this X value move to the left side 1, 2 and 3 times, and make sure you place your own media in the middle of the composition, like so. Also check this option mirror edges, and now let's hit U to show all of the keyframes. Select both keyframes, hit F9 on your keyboard, go inside the graph editor, and if you can't see curve like this one, go right click and you will find here Edit Speed Graph. Now grab the right handle and move it all the way to the left side, like so, and also for the left one, move it to the right. Turn off the graph editor, and when we hit 0 guys, this is gonna be our base animation. And also for the final step, let's also turn on motion blur, hit on this little icon on this transition adjustment layer, and also turn on motion blur for this Media 1 and Media 2. And as you can see guys, we have created this pan whip transition in just a few simple steps. You can also experiment here with the blur effects, but I will leave that to you. Okay guys, that was fast and easy tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, also hit the like button, and take a look at my channel for even more great After Effects tutorials. Until next time, stay creative and bye bye!